Today is the P-Day calculation. March 14, today, 2025. I have here in this spreadsheet different ways to calculate P that I can share with you if you want. The first one is using Halton numbers. I want to show you here. I want to put only 500 samples just to show you how it works. Halton number is a sequence is a log type of discrepance sequence. These are used for various applications, including Monte Carlo simulations. It can be used to generate samples points uniformly across the output space. For Monte Carlo, for example, we have here the representation of the samples and how P divided by 4 is calculated. See on this formula. This also is working, but 500 points is far away from Monte Carlo. Monte Carlo, you need 10,000 points at least, so that the difference is big discrepancy, 0.05a. The other method is fractions, is plus and minus. It's Gregor Leibniz series. You can see the denominator is increasing by 2, minus, plus, minus, plus. The numerator is 1, but here is multiplied by 4 in order to calculate P, because the original formula is P divided by 4. The same. Let me show you how it works. It's very close to 3.14. And the Wallis product is by multiplication. That is interesting. If this formula expresses P is an infinite product of fractions. The fraction consists 2 consecutive even numbers. You see number 2 here, number 4 here, number 6 here, and the denominator is increasing by 2, but also interesting how it works. Also, in this particular case, we don't need too many samples, so we are very close to for the value of P, 3.14, 15. And this is the other method, manual. So let me know if you want me to share this file with you. I can share with you.